Roadblocks to avoid when getting a mortgage. Hello, my name's Clay Selland with Signet Mortgage, and in this message, I'm going to share some roadblocks that'll derail your plans of getting a mortgage. You've been pre-approved for a loan, found a beautiful home, mortgage is in process, closing date's coming up, when all of a sudden you get a call from us saying you're no longer qualified for your new home because you bought that new truck. You think, how can that possibly affect me buying a home? It's a car, it's not another house. The reality is there are several things that will sideline your home loan, and knowing what to avoid is critical to remaining qualified and closing on your home on time. Let's look at a couple potential of those. Large purchases. We know you want to furnish your home, but please wait until you've closed on your home. Guidelines require that lenders run a soft credit report just before closing, and this will show up. No cars, no appliances, no once-in-a-lifetime vacations charged to your credit card, or depleting savings. Reach out to us. Sometimes we can make that fit, but you want to know that'll help and not derail your plans. Major life changes. If you're considering a change in careers, marital status, or even a long vacation, talk to us first so we can discuss how it may affect your loan. New credit. Credit cards may offer points, bonuses, offers for short-term savings, but opening new cards can have a negative impact on your credit score, and you don't want that to happen right now. So don't open any new credit cards. Random deposits, especially cash. Deposits into your bank account need to be sourced and documented properly to prove they are not counted as borrowed money. If you have cash around that you want to deposit into the bank, please wait until after closing to deposit it. If you're going to use cash or any gift funds for your closing costs, please sure to communicate with our team so we can be sure to properly document and season your funds. Late payments. Your credit may have already been checked, but it will be checked again later on in the process. It's important that you stay current on all of your accounts. Most importantly, come to us in advance with any questions. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching. If there's anything we can do to help with your home financing goals, please don't hesitate to call. Again, this is Clay Selland at Signet Mortgage. You can find out more about us, www.signetmortgage.com. You can reach out to me, 925-807-1503, and Clay at signetmortgage.com. Take care. Thanks so much.